What's going on, millionaires? So in this lesson, we're going to be going over Rarity Sniper and more specifically the rarity components of NFTs. Now, just like we talked about in the previous video, not all collections are going to be created equal. Some collections are going to have one of ones, some collections are going to be bigger, some collections are going to be smaller, and some collections are going to have certain NFTs with different traits that are going to be more rare than others. With that being said, that's where tools like Rarity Tools and Rarity Sniper come in play. These tools like Rarity Sniper, you'll often hear about when people want to value their NFT in terms of rarity. So for example, they're gonna type in their NFT ID number on a site like this, and it's gonna pop up in terms of rarity based on the traits, how rare the NFT is in comparison to the rest of the collection, with the most rare typically being the more valuable ones. Now, once again, projects like the Coalition Crew or the Chilling Chameleons are a perfect example of collections in which you're going to see different traits and different rarities, because these were collections that were created, like I talked about previously, using different traits and algorithms to just generate a bunch of different pieces of art. With that being said, some of these NFTs are going to have more unique traits that are going to be less seen, and some of these other NFTs are going to have more common traits. For example, maybe there's a hat that a lot of these NFTs and the collection of 5,000 or 7,000 is going to be seen more commonly throughout the collection. A lot more of these NFTs are going to have this hat, and maybe there's a skin or a certain set of eyes, or a hat or anything that is going to be more rare that maybe only like 5 of the 5,000 NFTs are going to have. So that means that NFTs that have these more rare traits, they're going to be more rare and therefore, like I said, a little bit more valuable. Now, one way to actually see if you have rare traits is to actually just go on OpenSea and look up your NFT. Here it's going to tell you what percentage of the collection has a certain trait, and you're going to be able to see which traits are the most rare. But what you really want to see is out of the rank of 5,000 or 7,000, like I said, you want to see what rank your NFT actually is at out of the whole collection. What does it rank? Right? So for that, you're definitely going to want to use Rarity Tools or Rarity Sniper. That's going to make your life much easier. You're not going to have to do all the manual work of getting knowledgeable with the different traits and actually having to go through the NFTs on OpenSea and see what percentage has what and stuff like that, right? So here on Rarity Sniper, you'll be able to display it's going to be able to display for you the rarity. With the lower the number, the higher the rarity. Right? So these lower numbers are going to be higher rarities, and just like that, you're going to be able to see just how rare and unique your NFT actually is. Like I said before, typically having a more rare NFT means that you're sitting on a little bit more value. So you're most likely going to be able to resell it for a higher price when you're reselling this NFT on the secondary market. With that being said, that pretty much covers the rarity aspect of NFTs. It covers how to use tools like Rarity Tools and Rarity Sniper, and hopefully you guys learned something new once again. I will see you guys on the next lesson.